Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. I'm also doing good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I have come to the office just for practicing purpose because I don't get free time in my all day for practicing my English, and today I woke up around 6 a.m. Then I brushed my teeth and washed my face. Then I came here. Look behind me. This is my laptop. I bought it from the market, and interesting thing is there is a CC camera here. The CC camera has been fixed here just for watching. Our boss has been fixed it here for watching us. We are doing good or bad, and there are 3 computers here. The computers have been brought here for working. Our boss's son works online. He sells the products online, so he brought this here. Then there is a clock. The clock is not good. It was good 10 days ago. I told to our boss's son about the clock. I told him, brother, I need a clock because whenever I work I can't see watch, so I need a clock. Then he brought it here for fixing. He will fix it and give me. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz, keep learning. I pray for you. You will be a good speaker. Allah Hafiz.